Hello guys, it's me Len. Welcome back to my channel. Modern feminism changed the world, but not always in the way people expected. Some say it empowered millions. Others say it created new problems we're only starting to understand. So, what's actually true? And more importantly, what can we learn from it in our own lives? So for today's video, we're not here to argue. We're here to unpack real experiences, real consequences, and real lessons. The modern feminism don't appear overnight. It evolved through waves, from the fight for voting rights to workplace equality to today's conversations around identity, independence, and every social roles. Each stage solved real problems. Women gained access to educations, careers, and legal protections that we were once denied. But like any major social movement, the effects are complex. In real life, I know you'll meet people who say feminism gave the freedom to choose the careers, the delay marriage, or define their identity through and beyond traditional roles. So, a woman working in a corporate job might say to you, without these changes, I wouldn't be here. That's a real life experience. At the same time, others, both men and women, talk about unintended consequences. Some feel relationships have become more transactional, expectations more confusing, and communication between genders more strained. A young man might say, I don't know what's expected of me anymore. While a young woman might say, I have more choices than ever, but also more pressure and uncertainty. Modern feminism changed everything: how we work, how we date, how we see ourselves. But here's the part no one really talks about. When you change the rules of society this fast, not everyone knows how to play anymore. Some people feel more free than ever, while others feel more lost than ever. So, what actually really is going on now? Early movements, voting rights, education access, workplace equality shift toward independence and identity. This wasn't random. It came from real struggles. Imagine living in a time where choices were already decided for you. More women in careers, delayed marriage, and different life paths. Financial independence are being there. A very good example is a woman builds her career, travels, lives independently, something that wasn't normal 2 generations ago. With more options comes more pressure. What if I choose wrong? More choices don't always mean more clarity. Changing expectations between men and women and the confusion around roles, and the dating challenges. A guy says, I don't know what's expected anymore. A woman says, I want independence, but also want connection. Social media influence fastly than we realize. These platforms reward extreme opinions. The loudest voices aren't always the most accurate. They're just the most viral. Social media platforms accelerate extreme viewpoints because strong opinions get more attention. That can distort reality. When communication breaks down, misunderstanding grows. That's the problem. The identity confusion, pressure to succeed in all areas, loneliness despite independence. People today are told to be strong, be independent, be successful, be fulfilled, all at the same time. That's a heavy load. When people gain more freedom, they also face more decisions and more consequences. Some thrive in that environment, others feel overwhelmed. Traditional roles were clear but restrictive. Modern roles are flexible but often unclear. This creates both opportunity and confusion. Feminism created opportunity and fairness. It also created new social challenges we didn't fully prepare for. Two things can be true, but at the same time, build your identity intentionally. Don't rely on trends to define your values. Focus on communication in your relationships. Understand that every choice has their own trade offs. No movement can replace personal responsibility for your life. People beliefs often come not from theory but from what they've lived through. The family, the relationship, and career struggles. We're living through a massive social shift, and like every shift in history, it's messy. When society shifts, people start asking, who am I supposed to be now? That question can lead to growth or anxiety. The goal isn't to blindly accept or reject it. It is to understand so you can make better decisions for your own life. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.